Hey, how are you? I am just finishing off with the work very soon. I'm so excited to go home. I thought I'll just relax, and I've been practicing some song. It's called Jealous of Angel. So beautiful. It's a gospel music. It's a Christian song. And I hope you guys enjoying. Summer is coming very soon, which I'm very excited. I know in Dubai could be very hot, but most of the time we spend indoor anyway, so it doesn't make a lot of difference. I hope you guys enjoying the summer. Kulogado nainga mama rame peperi hello teperi agumating the hair maling peri nangka kutsura me peperi. My God, lovam tinka nuigine pe ting de nangka. 接上的。